What's up to my favorite bunch of beauties? Welcome back to Beauty Over Age. Today's video is going to be sort of a follow-up to Miss Dion's PR unboxing of products from my brand, my company, Beauty Over Age. So I did send her some of the handmade things that I personally made myself and I wanted her opinion on. But I realized that I forgot to include some pricing on the products that I gave her. So she just gave you her review of the products, and I am going to sort of fill in the gaps. I'm trying to, some of these are like my own, and I just kind of want to dust them off so they don't look disgusting. But anyway, the name of my online store is beautyoverage.store. So you can find all of these products there. I do have other products. Like I said, I was having some other small businesses that I was sourcing my products from. So I have some gorgeous handmade soaps. I have body scrubs, all the like. So just take a look at my store. Let me know what you think. So what I did send to her, and this is just a little version, but this is like, I do make these 20-ounce insulated skinny tumblers is what they call them. This one was sort of a market exclusive because, you know, we do stuff seasonally. But I have the My Mental Breakdown cup, which is not a mental breakdown, but it breaks down the mental, okay? And I also had the sort of positive affirmations. Those two I have on my site. The tumblers are $20 a piece. So I just wanted to mention that. I also have, and what I gave her was the Glow and Grow Cuticle Oil, and this is a 10 ml. It is a roller bottle, so I will show you because she didn't want to open it, but it is like a metal roller bottle, and you just sort of just roll it on your cuticles like that, and you can see that if I cover my face, you can see that the oil is on my cuticles. This has saved my cuticles life. This does have a bit of a lavender scent to it. It's not crazy lavender. I think I did put a little bit of lemon essential oil, so it kind of cuts down that crazy lavender smell, because I'm not a fan of lavender like that either. It tends to get on your nerves after a while, but it kind of smells just like botanical. So yeah, you just kind of roll it. If I can show you, you just kind of roll it around the cuticle. You can roll it across the top if you want, and just around your cuticles. And I am not consistent with it, but I think my cuticles look pretty decent. And then I just rub it on the cuticle and all up the nail. And I will tell you what I did. So I caught myself doing a manicure one day, and I used one of those e-files. And if you can see my nails, you can see where I sort of dug into my nails, but that has grown up so fast. Like, I promise you, it was all the way down to here, and now it is all the way up here. Yeah, I say it is worth a try. And Dion was saying if you do your nails, I don't do my nails. All I do is cut them down when they get too long, clip my cuticles every now and again. But because my cuticles get so dry, because in nursing you are constantly washing your hands, I have a big dropper bottle of this at work. And I keep one beside my bed, and whenever I look at my cuticles and they look like disgusting, I should do it every night. I need to be more consistent. But yeah, it's like when my mind thinks of it or my cuticles look really bad, that's when I put it on. But you should put it on every night. So I want to tell you what is in the ingredients. So you do have olive oil, you have avocado oil, you have jojoba seed oil, lavender essential oil, lemon essential oil or lemon peel oil, and you have rosemary oil. So those are the only ingredients in here. Nothing is artificial. That is what I am going for now. If it's something that I'm going to be making, it is going to be made from natural ingredients. These do tend to last a pretty long time. As you can see, this one is almost empty. And I do have a use by date of, I think, 12 months. Yeah, 12 months, because the oils in here are good for 12 months. So that's the date that I put on them. And what you will notice if you do buy these things is that the color of the bottles are like not the same color. They're not clear. They're not like the same color as, and this is just a little aesthetic thing. But I bought a set of sort of these bottles from Amazon, and they graduate in color, and I just thought they were so pretty. So I'm just gonna, those are the bottles that you're going to get, and you may never get the same color twice. So just a little fun fact about that. I also had my jumbo balms, and these are 15 mLs. The size of an average lip balm is 0.15 ounces or 4.25 grams. It doesn't say how many mLs it is, but this one is a little over 2.5 times bigger than your average lip balm. This one is a 15 ml or 0.5 ounce. I am having like brain farts right now. So 2.5 times bigger than your average lip balm. I failed to give you the price of my Glow and Grow Cuticle oil. It is $10. The price of the lip balm is also $10. Both are available now on the website. Currently on my website, I do have strawberry kiwi available. I have vanilla bean. I have coconut, and I have unscented. I am playing with different flavors like lychee or lychee and mango. I also have this one that I am playing with, which is bubblegum. So it depends on how things go with them, and I'll continue to add different sort of flavors to it, but they are $10. I do want to open it up. I do use these myself. I do make these myself, and I will tell you, sometimes you will get them and I will pour them and I will just leave them because for the most part I feel like they look okay. Sometimes I will take sort of, I don't know if it's like a cake knife. Let me see what they call it. And this is specifically used for my lip balms. So I had to look it up. I don't know nothing about baking, so I don't know what this is. It's called an angled icing spatula, and I would show it to you, but I have it already cleaned and packed up in a container to keep all dust and stuff away from it, so I don't want to pull it out. But I will use that and sort of scrape off the top of it so that it is even, because sometimes these things come out really wonky, and I am doing this by hand, not by machine, so sometimes you have to sort of make do. But I just wanted to sort of give you a little bit of an idea. You can't really tell by me doing this, but it is really smooth. And as Dion showed you in her video, it does have a bit of a shine to the lip. It's not like a lip gloss, but it does give you sort of a healthy sort of shine to your lips. These, I will tell you, I think out of all three of these, the strawberry kiwi has the strongest scent to it, but the other ones, I consider these to be sort of vaguely scented, so that the scent is not going to be, and I tried with this one too, but this one is so much more concentrated than the other ones. It's hard. I try to give you sort of like the essence of that scent and not overwhelm you with like coconut and vanilla bean, and I hope that I was able to do that. But the keychain that I gave her, that is just sort of a market exclusive for me, because those little things, when you go to markets, those things sell because they cost like $5 or 3 for $12. I think I have it, and people can just grab them. So those are market exclusives. But yes, these are some of my handmade products. I am also doing t-shirts and sweatshirts. As you can see, I have on a sweatshirt that I did. I am fighting with the brand because I know everybody loves these comfort colors sweatshirts and t-shirts, which is what I have on now because I just wanted to try the brand out. So I bought a bunch of different brands of sweatshirt, but these things are expensive. Like, these things are expensive. I have to be like making bank in order to offer comfort colors. So I will be offering really nice sweatshirts, but I cannot in this stage of my business afford comfort color sweatshirts. But I am going to be having like motivational things on my sweatshirts because we need motivation in our lives. We need positive affirmations. So this one says intention is everything, and then on the sleeve, if I can get you to see it, it's sort of upside down, but it says be intentional. So I want to make like a group of sweatshirts with something right here and then something on the sleeve because I think it's cute. And I want it to be a motivation to you, so when you see it, you just get that boost that you need. So that is a lot of what you will find on my website. I know I have mentioned this before, but I haven't mentioned my brand on here in a while, so I just wanted to come back and say it again. So check out my store. It is beautyoverage.store. I also have another channel, and it is my business channel, and it's called Building Beauty Over Age on YouTube. So check that out. Subscribe to me. I have a whole 5 subscribers now. I am excited about that. I have 5 subscribers, but I would love for you all to subscribe to that channel as well. I am going to try to be more consistent there and here. I feel like now I am back into the mood of doing my YouTube videos, putting on some makeup, doing my thing. So I feel like I am back, you all. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and don't let your day be a waste of makeup. Bye.